From our room, you can see the Flippin Fins Pool. There's Ariel over there in the distance. We are in Building 9, in Triton's building. There's his very large head right there, across from the Ariel statue, or the Ursula statue. And down here's the Flippin Fins. Lightning is about a mile away, so with the weather, everything's a little bit shut down. There's that Lion King section over there. Not a bad walk. A lot of people complain about the walk from the mermaids. Yeah, it's farther away than Cars and Nemo and Lion King, but really it's not that much farther. So anyways, let's take a look. We are in room 9805. We're going to get in with our magic band. You can also program your phone to get in. We have 2 queen beds in our room. What's fun about them is they have a shell for a headboard and a light, like a pearl. Then you have the nightstand in between with Hey Disney, Alexa.
Do you want me to test it out?
We have Ariel and Flounder with a straight picture of Prince Eric and his dog Max and the palace in the background. The last time we stayed, we had the crooked picture of him at the stern. Here is the vanity section, which can be separated by a curtain. This separates you from land to ocean. So once you open up this curtain, you go underwater. You have a shell lamp. This is one of 16 days. We already went to Cocoa Beach for 2 days, went on a 4-day cruise, and now we're 10 days. That's why we have all that luggage. Some extra towels. And then we have Ariel's grotto. That's the bathroom here. You have a toilet, of course. And Ariel here in her grotto, showing you all of her things. When you open that curtain up, you have a fun themed bathtub. Now, currently they still have the H2O products, even though they're discontinuing them. And you have a connected shower head and clothesline. But it is a tub, so that's nice. Okay. And of course, you have a safe here. It's a fairly large safe, fairly deep. And then an iron and an ironing board. I've yet to find, oh, there's the blow dryer. On the other side, you have, we have an adjoining door in this room. This adjoins to 9804. We have our TV with our welcome note. They have a little coffee. And it works with the little pods, not the Keurig pods, but the flat discs. And little cups. Inside here is where you'll find the little refrigerator. Oh, this is smaller than the last time we were here. They have definitely changed this. As well as some drawers. And then you have a teeny little table for 2 with sheet music, a welcome note. Oh, every other day now. The last time we were here was like every 3 days. And then you have a really cute little themed shell mirror. I love it. You have a garbage that is a separate recycling and garbage. And then you have a thermostat control as well as a window. Let's see what our view is. Ursula's right outside our window, which is good for us. We love Ursula. She's one of our favorites, as well as the pool. Woo. And that is it. That is the tour of our room.